Hi cute friends! Today we're going to have so much fun on the farm. Come on, let's go! Look at these funny chickens. They go cluck, cluck, cluck. Now, let's visit the piggies. They love mud. Hey, little piggies, wanna play? Ah, look at these fluffy lambs. They're so cute. Hi, little lambs. You're so soft. Do you like being on the farm? And here we have a big, beautiful horse. Neigh, neigh. Hi, Mr. Horse. Horses are strong and friendly. They're like big friends. Oh, look at the ducks swimming in the pond. Quack, quack. Here, little duckies. Swim, swim. Wow, that was so much fun on the farm. I hope you enjoyed meeting all the animals with me. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye bye cute friends.